first of all, thank you so much, Tim, for coming for this call. And before we proceed, I'd just like to ask you, I just want you to say about the things about yourself and what your organization has been doing. A quick brief on that.
Sure. I'm Tim Mektrakarn. I'm the VP of Operations for Zenlayer. We're an edge cloud computing company. We have offices in India as well, but also in China and also the US here. And so my team focuses on kind of solutions engineering all the way down to post-sale support, all the way to IT operations. So it's kind of Salesforce development falls under my department.
All right, that's really great to hear that. Amit also had some questions with him. So Amit, you can go forward with that.
Yeah. So Tim, how did you come to know about us?
Yeah, so I was looking for a Salesforce developer and then thought the best place to find a whole bunch of talent would be on Upwork. And so I actually posted the job on Upwork, and then I think I probably interviewed 10 different vendors, candidates, right? There was a wide range of different skill sets from different geographies. There was probably about 100 people that applied, but I couldn't go through all the proposals. And then I think I had a call with Nikhil here and basically talk through our project, and then your guys' background and credentials. And then I thought it was the best fit out of all the other vendors because you had a lot of different talents, different skill sets in the same umbrella. And so I knew that going with you guys, we could be able to have different projects, related to Salesforce development, Boomi, integration work, kind of web design type stuff, so that's why I ended up picking Cloud Anaogy.
That's
And
really
Tim,
great
one
to
more
hear.
question. Yeah. Please tell us about the work that we have done and your experience working with us so far.
Yeah, so far, I mean, it's been great. The communication has been great, especially, the real-time communication over WhatsApp. We're able to work through things a lot quicker than just kind of email back and forth, right? Kind of laying out the predefined scope of work, right, with the budget in place for each task. All the milestones have been hitting properly, and Upwork has the screenshot capturing ability to, you guys provide a whole bunch of screenshots and video gifs of things on how things work, and so that's been good too.
That's really great to hear, Tim. And I hope that this has been a wonderful experience for you till now. I'd also like to ask 2 points that you have found the best about us, and where do you think that we need to improve ourselves for better productivity or for better delivery.
Yeah, I think the good side is that, whatever we talked about in terms of what I wanted, you guys made sure that you really understood the work that I was requesting kind of beforehand, right? And we fleshed through the details. You made sure that the team understood that this is what was required, and then you delivered on it, right? And so I didn't have to go back and we didn't have to micromanage any of the tasks along the way. Didn't have to go back and kind of hold your hand through anything, wherever there was maybe some misunderstanding or it wasn't clear that you asked, and we kind of worked through things very quickly, right? And so, those are the good parts of kind of working with you guys, and you've been able to just free me of having to manage this thing. You freed my developers from having to be super engaged and involved, right? We just are there to test whatever gets pushed out, right? On the improvement side, honestly, I'm not sure. I think maybe just turn it on a little bit faster would be good. But I think so far so good, right?
Thank you so much, Tim, for that. And definitely, the coordination has been really great, especially with not just you and your team members, Tina and Palayo. The way they have been communicating back and forth, it's been pretty amazing. And that kind of support we got from your team, this this is why we were able to do this thing and deliver what you wanted.
Yeah, I think if you look at it, like this is like the dream scenario, right? Where it's like, we have 3 different time zones working together and things are moving around the clock, and so, together, like hopefully we can keep doing more, right? And pushing out more features for our users and our customers, right?
Definitely, Tim. And with the coming more projects we have in our pipeline, we'll make sure we are keeping the same pace and keep improving much better and better.
Cool.
Thank you so much, Tim, for that. And also one last thing which I would like to hear from you, that, will you be working with us again after all the projects we have? And will you be recommending us to your colleagues or any other organizations you have been partnering or working with?
Yeah, definitely, right? I knew that it wasn't just the first project that we work on, right? We rolled into like 2 more right away. And so there will always be kind of more development work. And so right now we're just kind of understanding what we can do in-house that's easier to just communicate and get done by ourselves versus what we can kind of farm out, right? And so there will definitely be a lot more projects coming down the pipeline, a lot more improvement areas that we need to work on. For sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tim, for that. And I really hope we are going more stronger, and if you need for anything, any help in regards to your project or anything, I'm just a call away for that. You don't need to worry, no matter which time zone we are living in.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know. You answer the WhatsApp like all the time. I hope I'm not waking you up, because sometimes if I forget to send the message, then it won't happen, right? And so I just do it when I remember, and it could be like, my afternoon, which I know is like your like, early morning.
It's almost a bedtime over here when it's almost the afternoon. We're almost sleeping and dozing off.
Exactly. So don't feel like you have to respond right away.
Sure. Thank you so much, Tim, for that. And definitely we'll make sure we're keeping the same pace, and hopefully we're going more stronger together.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for that, Tim.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks, Nikhil. Thanks, Amit. See you guys later.
Thank you so much, Tim. See you guys. Have a great day.
Thanks, Tim.
Bye.
Bye-bye.